Hi everyone, my name's Jim and this is Traci, and we are from Masterful Property Management, and we get a lot of questions about how we handle repairs and what other services we provide. So to start that off, Traci, how do we handle repairs?
When we receive a repair request from a tenant, we act quickly. We assign a vendor to coordinate directly with the tenant to assess the issue. If the estimated cost exceed the limit set in our agreement, we'll gather multiple quotes and reach out to you for approval. If the repair falls within the approved limit, the vendor will complete the work, test for proper function, and we'll handle the payment, deducting the cost from your rental proceeds.
What if I have a situation where, let's just say I was managing my property myself, the tenants just moved out, and there needs to be a little work or repairs done before it's ready for the next one? Can you help me prepare for that?
We can. We'll have our field manager coordinate to meet with you at the property to walk through it together and provide estimates or recommendations for anything that needs attention. You can point out what you already know needs to be fixed, and they'll flag anything else that might have been missed. From there, we'll coordinate with our trusted vendors to get the work done.
Do you do periodic inspections too of the property?
Aside from the move-in and move-out inspections, we coordinate periodic inspections with the tenants. The first inspection typically takes place within the first 3 to 5 months of a new lease, and then periodically from that point. This helps us catch any issues early and before they become costly.
How about the accounting? Are you gonna give me something that I can just take to my CPA or something at the end of the year and all that?
We handle everything from collecting rent to tracking expenses, and if requested, we'll pay your property taxes, HOA assessment fees, homeowners insurance. We can handle all of it. You'll get monthly reports, and your payouts start on the 10th of the month.
That sounds great. How about utilities though? Do you help coordinate that too?
Tenants are responsible for all utility usage, either paying the provider directly or reimbursing the owner. If the property is vacant, we'll keep utilities active in our name, and we'll handle payments to be deducted when a new lease begins.
How do you advertise the property and how do you screen tenants?
We market your property on all major rental listing sites. We'll do a full screening, including a credit check, criminal background check. We'll verify rental history, employment, and income. And on the owner side, we'll offer consulting and analysis, comparing your rentals, making strategic recommendations to maximize your profitability.
Okay, and why do you think this is important?
Our job is protecting your investment. We streamline everything, keep tenants happy, and prevent small issues from turning into big headaches. If you want a property manager who handles repairs quickly, accounting clearly, and properties proactively, reach out.
Thanks for watching this video. Please check out our website at masterfulpm.com. There's a lot of great information on there. Reach out to us. You can send us an email or text message. We'll answer any questions you may have on that. Be sure to check out some of our other videos on the channel as well too, and thank you for watching.